Introducing the Instant Vortex Plus 4-quart air fryer, your ticket to quick, delicious, and healthy meals without the guilt. If you've been craving crispy, golden finger foods like chicken wings and fries, but want to avoid the excess oil and calories of deep frying, then this sleek and versatile air fryer is about to become your new kitchen best friend. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Instant Vortex Plus 4-quart air fryer is the ultimate cooking solution for your home. Revolutionize your cooking. Gone are the days of cluttered countertops and endless appliance shuffling. With the Instant Vortex Plus, you can kiss goodbye to 6 bulky kitchen appliances and say hello to one compact powerhouse that does it all. From air frying and broiling to roasting, dehydrating, baking, and reheating, this innovative device takes the hassle out of meal prep and puts the fun back into cooking. Crispy, tender results every time. Thanks to Even Crisp technology, you can achieve that perfect golden finish and crispy texture without the need for excessive oil. With 95% less oil than traditional deep frying methods, you can indulge in all your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Whether you're craving crunchy chicken wings, crispy fries, or savory onion rings, the Instant Vortex Plus delivers mouth-watering results every time. Customizable cooking at your fingertips. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to one-touch smart programs that take the stress out of cooking. With customizable programs for everything from wings and roasted veggies to cookies and cinnamon buns, you can create gourmet meals with the touch of a button. Plus, with fast preheating and a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can go from frozen to golden in minutes. Easy cleanup and safety features. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Instant Vortex Plus. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray make cleanup a snap, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Plus, built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off provide peace of mind, so you can cook with confidence every time. A kitchen must-have. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, the Instant Vortex Plus is a kitchen must-have. Perfect for quick and delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings, and more, this versatile appliance is sure to become your go-to kitchen companion. Plus, its compact design and stainless steel accents add a touch of style to any countertop. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.